Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 2 Hand on Exercise 3 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses with accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So total question is 3 and we move to the question number 1. Insert the lookup function x lookup f50 to a5 to a11 and h5 to k11 in cell G15 on the attendance worksheet to calculate the 2027 total in cell G50 to J15 in cell G15. So type the range as G15. So select the G15 and type is equal to and type the x lookup function, and next is f15. So select the f15, type comma and a5 to a11, a5 to a11. So type is equal to and type the x lookup function, and next is f52 comma a5 to a11 and type the comma and h5 to k11 close bracket and press enter. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the loan worksheet in cell C9 PMT function and to calculate the monthly payments 2027's loan and ensure the postage B5 to B6. So insert the PMT function. So we move to the question number 3 and on the attendance worksheets in cell L5 if function to determine the if percentage in cell K5 are equal to goal and H18 to functions. The loan worksheets and in cell C9 enter the PMT function to calculate the monthly payment for the Almarod through Spring 2027 facility and ensure that the function return the positive value and set the reference in cell B5 and B6 to the reference in cell C9. So select the C9 is monthly payment and PMT B5 12 and B6 minus B9 and press enter and copy the function to the range C10 to C15. So copy the function C10 to C15. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is on the attendance worksheets in cell L5 if determine the percentage in cell K5 is greater than or equal to goal in the H18, the function should return the goal met if true and review if false. Set the reference to cell H18 and absolute the cell reference on the attendance worksheets and select the cell is L5 in cell L5 if function and so if and K5 H18 goal met and press enter. So insert the function and next is copy the function from cell L5 to the range L6 to L11. So copy the function L6 to L11. So question number 3 is complete. So please click and OK to submit the assignment. Click OK and check the scores.